Welcome to the IM Global Awards and the announcement of the Information Management Award. This award is for an individual or team whose information management activity has enabled teams and stakeholders to use their time, resources and expertise effectively to make asset management decisions and fulfil their roles. Let's hear from the finalists themselves about their nomination.
With cloud becoming more and more popular, clients start migrating their physical assets into cloud, raising the issue of how do you track something which is not physical anymore. By the time our team started working on the asset management for the cloud, I found a meme that brought us some calm on this challenge. It said something like, "What if I told you that cloud is just someone else's computer?" But of course that was wrong. It is much more than that. It's a whole brand new service, and not a small one. We deploy the full stack of asset services to a $280 million environment, involving more than 140 servers and virtual machines, distributed across the globe. We are managing assets for the infrastructure that allows medical institutions in the United States or retail companies in Australia to have their business application hosted into the cloud, taking advantage of their flexibility and cost efficiency. At the end, I would say that meme needs a small twist. What if I told you that cloud is not just someone else's computer?
My name is Paul and I'd like to introduce you to the information management on our HS2 Ecological Survey platform. So throughout the season we've had 200 surveyors capturing up to 3 terabytes of data, that's attribute, photographs and sound recordings, all through a bespoke digital form which validates the information before it leaves site. That information is transmitted directly to the Azure cloud where it is gathered together. That's allowed us to undertake 8 times the number of surveys this season that we did last year. That live information allows us to track where surveyors are for health and safety reasons, but also progress. It allows our assurance team to be able to log on, see the information and validate it in situ. It also allows the management to be able to access the data and see what's going on the project, to be able to track progress and things like that. That's all allowed us to increase our data assurance fourfold and reduce the time spent on information management tasks by 90%. Thank you for listening.
This is Paul Olson with IBM. Management of entitlements is critical to effective software asset management. But who wants to spend time recording license, subscription, and maintenance data? What if a robot could be built to manage software entitlements, capturing data from software purchases and license terms and conditions, and storing it in an entitlement repository? We have an entitlement repository, a corporate procurement system, and a license terms and conditions library. Using robotic process automation, or RPA, we built a solution that ties these systems together. The RPA solution takes information from completed software purchases and extracts information from the license terms and conditions library to create and update entitlement records. This work used to be done manually by software licensed professionals. The RPA frees them up to work on more complex tasks for our clients.
Thank you to all our finalists. You can vote on who you think should be the conference's favourite shortlisted award entry by navigating to the Member Voting Survey tab. These results will be announced at the closing session of the conference on Thursday. Now to announce the winner. Our congratulations go to Paul Hart, Black & Veatch.
Thank you. It's been a real hard struggle, the project, but the amount of effort we've put in is really paying dividends towards the end of the year, as we've been able to complete a record number of surveys. So thank you, and thanks for a wonderful event in this challenging time.